As living standards have continued to improve over the years, the consumer's expectations on the quality of furniture are much higher now than ever before. Not only focusing on home furniture anymore, office furniture at the same time has to achieve exquisite quality in appearance, design, the use of materials, and craftsmanship. In this video, we're going to show you how Finest, with its 15 years of experience in the furniture industry, produces its high-quality products in its newly established factory in mainland China. Most of Finest's products are made of high-quality chipboards produced by Mieko. Mieko is one of the largest chipboard manufacturers in Asia. It produces E1, E0, and Super E0 chipboards. These chipboards all meet the environmental protection standards in Japan and Europe. The German-made paper pressed from the board is impregnated with good quality ink during production under a CNC control program. Using this method, the perfection of product quality is guaranteed. Besides, choosing the right supplier is also very crucial. As such, we work with well-known suppliers for their high-quality products. As the saying goes, good craftsmanship requires sharp and efficient tools. We therefore need the best machinery for our furniture production. One of these machines is Homag's CNC panel saw. It is able to carry out panel sawing with speed and accuracy with a size tolerance per linear meter as little as 0.1 millimeters. Let's take a look at an indispensable machine, the CNC Processing Center manufactured by Homag. With its versatile functions, it is capable of replacing several individual machines to complete the processes of sizing, profiling, drilling, grooving, and edge banding whenever the need arises. Using the CNC Processing Center, the entire process reduces reliance on labor skills and avoids man-made mistakes. Another machine used is Homag's edge banding machine, which performs trimming, snipping, and scrapping. It can be fitted with edge bands up to a thickness of 3 millimeters and a height of 60 millimeters. Mass production can be made at a very high speed of 32 meters per minute. Such reliable equipment is vital in the making of perfect products. Wiki's automatic high-speed boring machine is renowned for exceptional stability during operation. It ensures precise and speedy drilling, automatically finishing the production of 22 work pieces within a minute. A finished product requires a suitable packaging method to ensure its full protection during delivery to its customers. To avoid any possible delays and mistakes in the delivery of our products, we make use of various types of trademarks and packing labels in different colors for identification. To protect the benefits of customers, Finest is committed to bear all the responsibilities regarding the quality of its products. Finest has developed a comprehensive checkup mechanism which is carried out by all its employees. Each step in the preparation of the documentation has to be cross-checked. Regarding quality control, the second inspection is one of the major routines carried out before product delivery. Every finished product has to meet our high and stringent standards. Finest emphasizes the significance of strict production management. All materials have to be systematically stored up, and every step in production is standardized and well recorded. Finest is also very concerned about product development and marketing trends. We continuously introduce innovative products and striking advertisements. Caring for the environment is also very important to Finest. We utilize offcuts from our chipboards for the production of panels, bookcases, and smaller items such as mobile computer stands. After many progressive changes, Finest has been expanding its OEM business rapidly with our worldwide partners from the US, Japan, and countries in Europe and South and Central America. Recently, Finest has partnered with Mobile in Mexico to develop a new series of office furniture systems. Talent is the most valued asset of Finest. Finest believes that knowledge, capability, and work experience of its staff are key factors to the company's success, and it recognizes the importance of providing professional, all-round training and development. Regular training courses include routine fire safety drills and product training courses, as well as practicing the operation of machines. In addition to using advanced equipment, a pleasant working environment is also important in the production of high-quality products. Finest factory is equipped with a large-scale centralized dust retracting system with a vacuuming capacity of 15 cubic meters per hour. This maintains good air quality throughout production and protects the workers' health conditions. Finest strictly follows safety precaution guidelines in its production and puts the safety of its workers at the highest priority. Finest understands accidents may happen if the management of a factory neglects the importance of industrial safety. Besides, Finest is also very concerned about the provision of other facilities and the needs of its employees. To recognize their contributions to the company, there is a spacious dormitory and recreation rooms, providing TV and entertainment for workers to relax to during their leisure time. Finest uses quality materials, advanced equipment, and a high-efficiency management system to produce office furniture that can fully meet the needs of various types of offices. We hope that this video has helped you to better understand Finest's furniture production. If you would like to know more about Finest, you are most welcome to visit our company website at www.finest.com.hk.